Ah, spaghetti. Ah, ravioli. Ah, mamma mia.
Mario, Luigi, wake up! I'm glad you two are up, 'cause I was wondering, would you like to go on a nature walk with me to the woods? Let's talk about it for a minute.
Oh, yeah!
Fantastic! We can look at all kinds of things in nature. Let's go. Are we there yet? Yep. We are now going to explore Lincoln Woods. Olney Pond. Well, that looks like a great place to explore. Thanks to your papa. I wonder what we'll find. Well, let's see. Come on. Hey, check out all these trees. There are different kinds. Oh yeah, now that you mention it, some trees have leaves and some of them have needles. Time for a little education. If you see trees with leaves on them that can fall off, they're called deciduous trees. Sometimes deciduous trees could have stuff on them for seeds, like acorns, for instance. They live on specific deciduous trees called oak trees. However, when you see needles on trees that don't fall off, and they have pine cones, they're called conifer trees. Gotcha. I'll keep that in mind. Christmas trees are conifer trees as well, because they have needles. So what have we learned so far? Deciduous trees have leaves and sometimes acorns for seeds, and their leaves fall off. Whereas conifer trees have needles that don't fall off, and they have pine cones for seeds. Let's keep going on our walk. Oh, we better make sure we don't run into certain ivy. You never know where there's gonna be poison ivy. Look, see? Some of the pine cones have already fallen off. They must have come for the conifer trees. I think I just spotted part of an acorn. Yeah. They must have come from oak trees. We're headed for a little hill. Wonder what we'll find. Look, fellas, you see that beach over there? I wonder what could be going on. This is more of a pond than an ocean. Look, Mario, it's a cow. Oh, no, that's not cow, that's a goose. I know, I was just kidding. Hello, goosey. Hello, ducky. And those geese are everywhere. I can see some ducks over there. They're smaller than geese. Keep that in mind. Geese have longer necks than ducks. You know, their diving behavior is almost the same as ducks. Or maybe it's vice versa. My, that's a big ant. Sure is a nice place to sit when you're looking around for the animals. You're right. There are animals everywhere. I wonder what that goosey's doing. Rubbing on his wings. I imagine that's a female duck over there. You know, the one that's smaller than the Canada goose. And has brown feathers. And you know, I think I might be ready to head back. Oh yeah, me too. We can just enjoy the wonderful time we had on our nature walk. Then let's head home. Ooh. And as we're headed back, check out these nuts. They don't look anything like acorns, but I'm sure they come from a deciduous tree. Whew, what an exciting nature adventure. Oh yeah. I hope we can explore more outside of Taya's house. Oh yeah. In the meantime, let's rest again.